Our headlines showing the worst of this is going to be in the mid-morning through mid-afternoon, right? So we're talking like 9, 10 a.m. through about 2 to 3 p.m. That's when some of the strongest wind gusts and some of the heaviest rain will come through. Not a huge impact on our coast if you're concerned about that, but there could be some ferry disruptions. Just keep a close watch on that. Not terribly windy right now. It is in the process of getting warmer. We expected this. We're already up to about 50 degrees at our coastline. Those temperatures will continue to rise. We have a little bit of spotty light rain showers that will come through here in the overnight, but these are some light to moderate showers. That's the heavy stuff just moving through the Ohio Valley. That's what we're targeting again for the mid-morning, and I'm talking like 8, 9 a.m. through just after 2 p.m. If that's the time you're going to find yourselves on the roads, that's when potentially you could have some of the heaviest rain and some of the strongest wind. It's coming out of the south, averaging 20 to 30 miles an hour. Temperatures well into the 50s, but it's the wind that's going to be, the main issue with this as we go through that time frame. So here you go. Again, morning commute shouldn't have massive issues. Bus stop could be a little wet at times, but you get to that 9, 10 a.m. time frame. That's when some of those steadier bands are wrapping through. We're still mild with a south-southwest wind through 3 p.m. And then once this front clears, the wind shifts into a west direction. Most of the rain's over at that time. We are still very windy tomorrow night, but we're turning cool and drier as we head into Saturday. I'll finish this up with one look at those wind gusts. Again, this is the big concern here. Some of these stronger wind gusts mixing down in that 10 a.m. to about 2 to 3 p.m. time frame. 55 to maybe near 60-mile-an-hour gusts, especially toward the Cape and Islands. The worst of it moves away, but it's still very windy, around 40, maybe 45 miles an hour for us right into Friday night. That eases gradually by around midday or so on Saturday. There shouldn't be much wind at all by Saturday afternoon. So again, travel difficult. That's the weather alert. That wind, that rain combo. Looks dry for the weekend. Dry to start Christmas week. Maybe a few rain and snow showers Tuesday. Jason joins you at 4:30 a.m. at our sunrise show with more in the alert. Back to you.